All right, RAM Promaster mechanism, sliding door mechanism install. You saw my other video, taking the panel off and smashing the old mechanism up because that was the only option I had. That might not be your option. You might have a different issue, but if your door's stuck, it won't open. It unlocks, but it won't open. It won't even budge. It's the mechanism that's in the door that latches there. And it also latches, kind of locks up there as well with cables and stuff. But I ordered it on Amazon. I called the dealership. They were like $450. I'm like, are you smoking crack? So I did a little bit of research and I went on Amazon and found just the mechanism because I think when you get it from the dealership, it gives you like all the hardware and stuff. The handle, the interior handle, you know, et cetera, et cetera. But this is the mechanism with the cables. Now I'm not going to use the cables. My cables are fine because they're in good condition. I'm just going to replace the mechanism itself. This was $49. Came the next day from Amazon. Got good reviews. I'll put the link in the description for that. Save you $400. I gotta get this tile saw out of here. I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna remove this cable, all these cables, because I have the cables already in the sliding door, which are in good condition. And I'll save these for the next time it breaks, which will be soon. I'll pop this one on first. Just a little plastic cover. And just lift that up, take that out. That was easy. These are all pretty easy. And this cable, just pop it out. Then rotate this to the notch. Slips out. Pop this out. Rotate it. It comes off. Now you get the mechanism free of cables. And we're going to reattach them to the existing cables in the sliding door. Very simple. There we go. Shed some light on the situation. Put the air conditioner on because 95 degrees out. Grab a chair. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Here's the mechanism. It goes like this. I saved the bolts. Make sure you save your bolts from the other one because these don't come with bolts. So you're going to want to hook the cable that runs up this way first. Hook it on first. Hole, rotate it, and then put the blue part into that groove right there. There you go. Put this on. Plastic piece in. This goes into the hole. Go, make sure it's connected like that, and put the cover on. That's it. That's it for cables. Then plug the plug in. Put it upside down like that. Make sure it's on. Good. Slide it in. Open the door. We'll line the bolts up. Get the bolts in. I kept everything in a good spot where it wouldn't get lost, because you know how it goes. These are the bolts. These are number 40 Torx bit. Just open the door, put your hand in here, and line up the holes. Move it over so those holes line up. Not too tight. I'd say 20 or 30 foot-pounds is about it. Not even. Maybe 15. 20. We don't know where this mechanism came from. It's probably from China, so be careful. Alright, it's in. These are tight. Let's see if it closes. Yes. Well, let's see if it opens. Oh, nice. Works better than it did before. It's flush down here, flush in the middle, flush up top. It's working good. Let's make sure it locks. Locked. Unlock. Beautiful. Now let's make sure I can get out from the inside. Lock it. Nice. Come on. Ugh. I was just off balance. I got so much crap in here. But yeah. Works great. If you close the door and you go to do this and nothing happens, and you might have taken this out, there's a little ball at the end of the cable that falls out when you put it in. You got to kind of tuck the top in and then get it in, because that's what happened to me. Because I originally took this handle off, I thought it was this problem at first, but I took it off, put the ball back on. Now it's fine. All right, I'm gonna put the cover back on and I'm done. This is a very simple procedure, very easy, do it yourself. Again, I'll put the link in the description from Amazon for the new mechanism. It was 50 bucks, something like that, very 40 something. Better than 450 from the stinking dealership, I'll tell you that. That's why we call it the Stealership. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you got any comments, I'll try to answer as best as I can. Until next time, stay tuned. Peace.